In this question, we're given a tree diagram and asked to fill it in. So the circumstance we're looking at is somebody picking fruit out of a bowl, 3 pears, 5 apples, so 8 in total. He chooses a fruit at random, eats it, so he's obviously not putting it back, and then picks another fruit from the same bowl. So for 3 out of the 8 bits of fruit are pears, so there must be 5 apples, so 5 out of 8 there. If we go along this branch, it means he ate a pear. So the number of pears is going to decrease by 1, and the number of fruit in the bowl will decrease by 1. Okay. But if we go up this branch, that means he's eaten a pear. So the number of apples hasn't changed. So the number of apples is still 5, but he's eaten something. So the number of fruit goes down by 1. Down this branch, he's eaten an apple. So the number of pears hasn't changed, but the total number of fruit has. And if we come down here, he's eaten an apple. So what's going to happen with the apples now? The apples will have gone down by 1, and the total number of fruit would have gone down by 1 as well. So you would have got 3 marks for filling in your tree diagram. And then it says calculate the probability that both fruits chosen are the same. So let's think about the different routes that would give us the same fruit. Well, we could get a pear and a pear. So probability pear, pear. And we could get probability of apple, apple. So we need to calculate these 2 probabilities. When we're going along the tree diagram, we're multiplying because it's this and this, this and this. So 3 out of 8 times 2 out of 7, that would give us probability of pear, pear. And probability of apple, apple would be 5 out of 8 times 4 out of 7. Okay. Now, actually, I should have, instead of putting and here, I should have said or, because there's 2 possibilities. It's this possibility, pear, pear, or this possibility, apple, apple. If it's or, this or that, then we're going to add the probabilities together, because it's more likely to happen. Got this one or this one, so I can add them. If you added them together, what did you get? This one was 6 out of 56 plus 20 out of 56. So 26 out of 56 would have been okay, or 13 out of 28, divide them both by 2, or some of you gave it as a decimal, 0.464. Again, 3 significant figures, please, if you're going to be using decimals.